What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna hop right into it. I am going to be doing a style on stretched blown out hair. I feel like probably for the remainder of 2020 I'm gonna be doing stretched styles, blown out styles. So I have a wedding to go to tomorrow. Today's Friday, and I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. That way tomorrow I can just take it down and we'll be good to go. So I feel like I want to do some sort of, I don't know if I want to call it an updo, but I do want to kind of pull my hair back. Hey, this is low key, kind of cute. Well, maybe not. Anywho, I'm gonna do a side part, and I'm going to be doing some twists in the front, and then I'm thinking we'll like pull the back down like this for tomorrow. Something cute, you know, and that's just what we want to do. I've been really feeling the stretch look. I think it really has a lot to do with finally discovering, or finally getting the Revlon blow dryer brush, because it just makes the blowout process so quick and pretty easy. So this is my third time using the brush, and every time in between I do a good shampoo, deep condition, and my curls bounce right back, and I've been using a heat protectant. So far so good with that. I'm gonna be using this TreLuxe Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream as my styler. I'm just applying the cream. And twisting it up. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to add water to the ends because I need more of a curl. So I'm gonna be adding water to the ends, and then I forgot to use edge control on these three, just at the root, to keep it laid down.
Yo, chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag. Yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act. Yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang, girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressed to kill with it. Breaking them necks, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Guns on sight, and she know that she a little bad. Hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab. Don't know how to act. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad.
Alright, so the front is done. You can kind of see the vibe that I'm going for. The back is just gonna be like pulled, you know, pulled back like this. I just don't know exactly what I want to do. I'm freestyling this, clearly. I also don't know if I should go ahead and pin it back and then twist the ponytail, or if I should just go ahead and twist everything and then pin it back tomorrow. I'm not sure.
She look bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah.
Yo, this that new Jay Sean?
Alright, so here's the twist. They look real good. It's looking real promising. Tomorrow, we're going to take everything down. It should be pretty easy to just go ahead and slick the sides back, you know, and then we'll have the little front situation. So yeah, that's what we did. Hair was stretched. We used the cream water on the ends, which helped get the curl going, and some edge control on the edges. So tomorrow I'll probably have makeup on. We'll take this down and we'll have the final stretched updo, pull back. It's not an updo. I don't know what to call this style. A twist out, pull back ponytail with bangs. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, please disregard the setup. This is just what it's gotta be. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna take down.
I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away.
Okay, so the dilemma is, I thought I was going to be taking down the twist in the front, in the bang area, but I actually really like how it looks. So I think I'm just going to leave them alone. And I'm just going to bobby pin this side here.
I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah. Without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.